Hong Kong Electric App. Introduction to settling bills through the Hong Kong Electric App and Autopay. You need to register for the account online service first to pay your bill through the Hong Kong Electric App. Please refer to our Hong Kong Electric App tutorial video to complete AOL registration step by step. You can also check the link in the description box below the video. You can log into the AOL service through the Hong Kong Electric App to check your electricity bills, account balance, and consumption records, and then settle your bills through the app. There are 3 payment methods available. First, Faster Payment System, FPS. Second, Alipay HK. Third, WeChat Pay HK. In just a few simple steps, you can pay your bills directly through the Hong Kong Electric App. Click Pay Now on the home page. Select the appropriate icon and follow the instructions to complete the payment. Then, the system will bring you back to the Hong Kong Electric App to await the transaction to complete. You have successfully made a payment through the Hong Kong Electric App. You can also pay your bills via the Autopay service. Just set it up once, and your bills will be paid automatically without the need for monthly manual processing. Autopay is both convenient and hassle-free. Autopay can be set up through a savings or current account, or a designated credit card. Once successfully applied, your monthly bill will be paid automatically on the 8th working day from the billing date. Residential customers with savings or current accounts can complete the e-form, or authorize Autopay by calling 288-73411. Non-residential customers, please complete the direct debit authorization form. For residential customers, please scan the QR code below or fill out the e-form on Hong Kong Electric website. Customers can also set up Autopay using American Express cards. Residential customers can authorize Autopay with Bank of China, Chiyu Bank, or Nanyang Commercial Bank credit cards. For residential customers, please scan the QR code below or download the authorization form on Hong Kong Electric website. You can also check the links in the description box below the video. Scan the QR code now to download the Hong Kong Electric App to enjoy a variety of e-services.